What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ferb Fletch here. Again with another SI build update. Yeah, let's get into it though. I put in LED headlights yesterday. I didn't record it because I was waiting for the hood spacers to come. I should have made a video on how to install headlights on the SI, but today I'm making a video on how to install these Password JDM hood spacers or hood risers. So yeah, set up the tripod and we're gonna get into this. Holding on your bonnet because firefighter hood takens are 410mm right over there. Let me put up this bonnet holder. So yeah, I'm gonna get it to 10. And the Password JDMs, they use Allen heads. I think it's the number 3 on it. This one right here, I believe they use. So yeah, if you get the Password JDM, you will need an Allen head. If you get any other brand, some of them come with 10s. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna set up a time lapse for me installing this real quick. Quick little installing. I'll show you guys the headlights after that. That's just a quick little video of this installing hood spacers on basically any Honda, to be honest. But I'm gonna close the hood down and see what it looks like, and then show you guys the headlights, and then I'm just gonna close out this video. So I said, just a quick, simple little video. Just came home from work and part was in the mailbox. So I'll just threw it on, you know. So let me just close this now. Parts man. Yeah, that's me. Civic. Honda man. Yeah, that's me. Ooh.
That boy fast.
Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, that look nice. Oh yeah, I put on RSX stocks. You guys didn't know about that. Got rid of them big clunky 18s. I would have rather the 05, 06 type S rims because they're 17s, the Yankees. But these my winter wheels. I'll tell you guys later on what wheels I'm getting, but can't say that now. It's classified. But let me turn on the car and show y'all the headlights.
Parks man, parks man. Yeah, that's me. Where's my key?
Also, gotta show you guys the interior too.
How you like me now?
The interior. I put in the Crown Royal shift boot. Well, it's a liquor bag, but I made it into a shift boot. And blue LED lights. But yeah, man. That's just gonna wrap up the video. It was just a quick little update. I told y'all already about the fill y'all in on every little thing I do to the car. Like everything. I should have recorded the damn headlights I put in yesterday, but I was just too excited that the first part came. But without further ado, just comment, like, and subscribe, man. It's your boy Ferb Fletch, and we out of here, man. Peace.